Hello students. Today we are going to learn about birds. What are the name of birds? But before this, you tell me, have you seen a birds fly high in the sky? Yes? Now you know what is a bird. Let's learn about. A bird is an animal with feathers, wings, beak and a tail. Well, start with this bird. This is the peacock. This is a peacock. It has long colorful feathers. It has a long neck. Peacock is the national bird of India. You know, the peacock loves to dance in the rain. They eat seeds of plants and sometimes small insects. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. A sparrow है. It is brown in color. Sparrow love to eat seeds. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a parrot. This is a parrot. It is green in color. Parrot is pet animal. Parrot love to eat chilies and seeds of plants. You know children, parrot speak like us. Means parrot हमारी तरह बोल सकता है. This is an owl. Owl come out of its nest only in the night. It eat rat and other small creatures. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a crow. This is a crow. It is black in color. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle can fly high in the sky. It's also called hunter bird. Eagle eat snake and rabbit. Pigeon. This is in a pigeon. Pigeon is a domestic bird. The pigeon has grey feathers with a shiny green neckband. Pigeon love to eat small seeds. Ostrich. This is in a ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Ostrich cannot fly. Ostrich run very fast. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker has a long beak which they use to make hole in the tree. They love to eat seeds, berries, fruits, nuts and bugs. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguin live in snow. And one interesting fact about penguin is penguin has a wings but it cannot fly. Means penguin के पास wings तो है लेकिन वो fly नहीं कर सकता. Duck. This is a duck. Duck live in water. Duck eat fish and frog. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. Kingfisher eat fish. What is it? Yes, this is a hen. It is a hen. Hen lay egg. Hen are a domestic birds. Hen love to eat seeds and worm. Now we will revise the name of birds. So let's start. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Parrot. This is a parrot. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Peacock. This is a peacock. Ostrich. This is in a ostrich. Owl. This is a owl. Crow. This is a crow. Eagle. This is in a eagle. Duck. This is a duck. Hen. This is a hen. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Penguin. This is a penguin.